So to start, take your blank, some isopropyl alcohol, and a paper towel. Fold the paper towel into four, put the alcohol onto the paper towel, and wipe down your blank with your hand inside the mouth of your water bottle. I'm doing this on an Ozark water bottle, which I will try to link down below. Then measure the height of your tumbler and see how big you can go. I think I will be making my design 4 inches. So for my design, I use Dream It, Design It, Do It, and I use the Anderson font, which I believe I got from Makers Gonna Learn. I have linked their membership down below. And yeah, so I sized mine after measuring my cup. Now it is time to cut out your design on your Cricut. Now that you have your vinyl cut, it's time to weed it. So you may have noticed I have 2 different colors of vinyl, so we'll be layering it using transfer tape so that this design is on this, and then we'll put it all onto our tumbler. Then apply it to your cup and make sure to center your design. Then use your brayer to smooth down your design. After you've removed your transfer tape, smooth down your design onto your tumbler. Okay, I love how this turned out. You may have noticed it kind of matches this from the channel home screen. So this is kind of going to be my saying for this channel. And I thought, what could be more perfect than a water bottle with it? So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!